Which one means apple? A. みかん B. いちご C. スイカ D. りんご The answer is D. りんごみかん means mandarin orange. いちご means strawberry. スイカ means watermelon. りんご means apple. Number 2. Which one means number 3? A. 1 B. 4 C. 3 D. 8 The answer is C. 3 1 means 1 4 means 4 3 means 3 8 means 8 Number 3. Which one means mouth? A. 口 B. 耳 C. 鼻 D. 顔 The answer is A. 口 口 means mouth. 耳 means ear. 鼻 means nose. 顔 means face. Number 4. Which one means family? A. 女 B. 男 C. 学生 D. 家族 The answer is D. 家族女 means women. 男 means man. 学生 means student. 家族 means family. Number 5. Which one means potato? A. 大根 B. きゅうり C. じゃがいも D. ナスThe answer is C. じゃがいも大根 means radish. きゅうり means cucumber. じゃがいも means potato. ナス means eggplant or aubergine. Number 6. Which one means triangle? A. 四角 B. 三角形 C. 丸 D. 楕円 The answer is B. 三角形四角 means square. 三角形 means triangle. 丸 means circle. 楕円 means oval. Number 7. Which one means entrance of the house? A. 台所 B. 廊下 C. 階段 D. 玄関The answer is D. 玄関台所 means kitchen. 廊下 means hallway. 階段 means stairs. 玄関 means entrance. Number 8. Which one means school? A. 学校 B. 本屋 C. 教科書 D. 病院 The answer is A. 学校学校 means school. 本屋 means bookstore. bookshop. 教科書 means textbook. 病院 means hospital. Number 9. Which one means doctor? A. 警察官 B. 医者 C. 美容師 D. 先生。The answer is B. 医者。警察官 means policeman. 医者 means doctor. 美容師 means hairdresser. 先生 means teacher. Number 10. Which one means tree? A. 木 B. 森 C. 花 D. 山。The answer is A. 木 木 means tree. 森 means forest. 花 means flower. 山 means mountain. Which one means Sunday in Japanese? A. 火曜日 B. 木曜日 C. 月曜日 D. 日曜日。The answer is D. 日曜日。火曜日 means Tuesday. 木曜日 means Thursday. 月曜日 means Monday. 日曜日 means Sunday. Number 2. Which one means breakfast in Japanese? A. 昼食 B. 朝食 C. 夕食 D. ご飯。The answer is B. 朝食。昼食 means lunch. 朝食 means breakfast. 夕食 means dinner. ご飯 means rice. Number 3. Which one means thank you in Japanese? A. こんにちは B. おやすみなさい C. ありがとう D. すみません。The answer is C. ありがとう。こんにちは means hello. おやすみなさい means good night. ありがとう means thank you. すみません means excuse me. Number 4. Which one means carrot? A. 玉ねぎ B. 人参 C. ほうれん草 D. ニンニク。The answer is B. 人参。玉ねぎ means onion. 人参 means carrot. ほうれん草 means spinach. ニンニク means garlic. Number 5. Which one means bicycle? A. 自転車 B. 車 C. 地下鉄 D. 飛行機。The answer is A. 自転車。自転車 means bicycle. 車 means car. 地下鉄 means subway. 飛行機 means airplane. Number 6. Which one means microwave? A. まな板 B. はかり C. 電子レンジ D. 電気湯沸かし器 The answer is C. 電子レンジ。まな板 means cutting board. はかり means scale. 電子レンジ means microwave. 電気湯沸かし器 means electric kettle. Number 7. Which one means rain? A. 雷 B. 霧 C. 雨 D. 梅雨 The answer is C. 雨 雷 means thunder. 霧 means fog. 雨 means rain. 梅雨 means rainy season. Number 8. Which one means summer? A. 夏 B. 冬 C. 秋 D. 春 The answer is A. 夏 夏 means summer. 冬 means winter. 秋 means autumn. 春 means spring. Number 9. Which one means station? A. パン屋 B. 駅 C. 空港 D. 公園 The answer is B. 駅 パン屋 means bakery. 駅 means station. 空港 means airport. 公園 means park. Number 10. Last quiz. Which one means mother? A. お父さん B. おばさん C. おじさん D. お母さん The answer is D. お母さんお父さん means father. おばさん means aunt. おじさん means uncle. お母さん means mother. Great! How many words did you know? Please let us know your score in comment. All the words come from our Japanese Smiles video. If you'd like to expand your Japanese knowledge, please check the video. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the bell. 動画が面白かったら、グッドボタン、チャンネル登録、よろしくお願いします。See you next video. またねー。